New life for an old camera. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to another special edition of Jules Voto's Photo Focus. Now, a few years ago, I was in a thrift shop and I came across this Yashica 12 medium format twin lens reflex camera. It was only $80, so I picked it up. The shutter speeds are accurate, seemingly. The lens looks good, and it's in great shape. Just one issue. The focusing screen is very dark, and that holds true for a lot of these old twin lens and single lens reflex medium format cameras. So I just put it up on the shelf. The screen was just too dark in order to focus accurately. It was too difficult, so I just put it away. Recently, it came to my attention that a bright screen could be installed in this camera. So I purchased one from Richard Olson, and I will put a link in the description below to his website. And for $80, the same price as I paid for the camera, I got one of these bright screens. Now, they come in a couple varieties, one with a micro prism spot in the center for focusing, or a split image rangefinder. He will also, at no additional charge, offer you different patterns of etchings in the screen, grid lines. So the screen came in a few days. It was a simple matter to install it in this Yashica. There's just 4 slotted screws, 2 on each side, that hold the waist level finder in place. Comes off easily. There's a few spring clips that hold the focusing screen in place. The old screen is in 2 pieces. The new screen is a single piece. Pretty simple matter to install it. Took about, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so. While I was at it, I cleaned everything inside. And God, it's night and day. It's so nice now to use this camera to focus, to see. It was really difficult, especially indoors, to get a clear view previously. And it worked out great. And now I'm going to start using this camera. This particular model, this Yashica 12, dates from, I guess, the mid-60s to maybe late 60s. It only takes 120 film. It produces 12 2¼ square images on a roll of 120. The TLR, if you're not familiar, gets its name, twin lens reflex, because it has a taking lens on the bottom and a viewing lens up top. Now that offers a big advantage, I think, especially for pictures of people. There's no blackout when you press the shutter release because you're viewing through the viewing lens. Okay, so there's no blackout. Also, because it's a leaf shutter, it syncs with flash up to a 500th of a second, which allows you full synchronization with flash. So your flash will sync up to the top speed of a 500th of a second, which works great for fill flash. It focuses down to 3.5 feet. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to get into medium format photography, look around for one of these old Yashicas. They're probably the least expensive medium format camera. Minolta also made twin lens reflex. Mamiya, of course, Reflex started the whole thing with twin lens reflexes, and they're excellent with Zeiss lenses, but they're kind of expensive. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a new video every Wednesday morning. So thanks for watching.